road trip! Yay! Yes. Hello, guys. I have decided to go ahead and try out a vlog and see what that's like. We're planning on going mountain biking, and I think we're gonna go out on the lake for a little bit. I might wash my car because it's a little bit dirty. I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog of it, but it's gonna be a good weekend. Also, literally, if you guys saw how I have this phone mounted in my car, okay, first of all, I do have a nifty little clip to hold my phone for when I'm driving, but sideways, trying to angle it towards me, I literally have a straw right there holding it up so it's not so crooked. But yeah, welcome to Colin's vlog in the car. Good morning, it's the next day. Dad and I went to the gym this morning. I think that I'm gonna wash my car, heating up my bagel, and ready to kick off this weekend. It's supposed to be 90 and sunny. Okay, that's what breakfast looks like. I burnt it because I don't know how to use an oven, I guess. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat this and we'll see where the day takes us. Alright, I don't know if anyone's gonna care, but I am so psyched about this, honestly. So I ride in the car with my windows down, if I'm in the car, the windows are down. And the headliner of my car gets really dirty. I'll show you. So that's clean, and then that's dirty. See the color difference? See what I'm talking about? Attach to a vacuum and go on it, and it cleans it. And I am actually really happy about that. Okay. Damn, boy. Just like the day I got her. Oh my god. I didn't clean the roof though. I can't even see that. Cheers. Cheers. So I ordered this. We're at a really country place, and the bartender literally came out and said, "A dirty martini?" This is my dad.
Hello, everyone.
Alright, it's the next day. Happy Saturday. Dinner was great last night. We went on the lake. We're about to go biking. So, I don't know, cue cool mountain biking mantra. Go! I don't know. I don't even know if I can do that, but here goes nothing. So just got back from riding the mountain bikes, and let me tell you, that was so hard. It was a lot of fun, but it was so freaking hard. I almost died. I was really, really sweaty, but would do it again. I enjoyed it. It was really pretty. I made avocado toast because I'm trendy. Yes, trendy. I tried to cover up all the burnt part of the bread. Update, I don't really like the avocado toast. I don't get the hype about it at all. I'm struggling to eat the second piece. I put lime and pepper in it, and it's just not good. Are we ready? Boom. We're making salsa from scratch. Look at this. You ready? And cute. And big reveal. Ooh, the ingredients.